Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can disable this when you just click power button and it opens Google Assistant. You can see it is not showing power menu. How you can fix this problem in your Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open settings, swipe down, click on home screen, and here you can see, just click on system navigation, swipe down, here it is button shortcuts. You have to click on power plus menu, just click on it and click on none. And you can see when you just click on power button, just click on this, click on show menu, just replace it and click on power button. You can see friends, if your power buttons, when you just click on this shows, then you have to simply click on volume up button and power menu. You can see this, it will show the power off button. This is how you can enable it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.